Welcome to the land of tiny mini stories. Let us dig into Jumbo's hilarious Hiccups adventure. It was a sunny day in the lively jungle of Jollyville, where animals often gathered to share jokes and play games. Jumbo, the big friendly elephant, was known for his love of peanut butter sandwiches and silly tricks. One fine morning, Jumbo woke up with the most peculiar problem. He had a case of unstoppable hiccups. As Jumbo wandered through the jungle searching for a solution, he met Penny, a vibrant and curious parrot perched on a low-hanging branch. Penny, with her rainbow-colored feathers and cheerful personality, squawked, "Oh, Jumbo, why are you hiccuping like a drumbeat?" Determined to help her friend, Penny led Jumbo to a patch of wild jungle pepper plants. "A sneeze might scare your hiccups away," she chirped. Jumbo sniffed a pepper plant cautiously. Suddenly, his trunk twitched, and with a thunderous "Achoo!" he sneezed so hard that he sprayed water from his trunk all over Penny. As the animals in Jollyville gathered to see what the commotion was about, Jumbo realized his hiccups had disappeared. "Looks like laughter is the best cure after all," he chuckled. Penny and Jumbo shared a peanut butter sandwich, promising to always help each other in funny and creative ways. The jungle echoed with the sound of their laughter, reminding everyone of the joy of friendship and silliness. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tiny Mini Stories, for more such videos.